Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a man basket bounce. Now if you haven't done a man basket yet, you really need to have done, so there's a link to the clip for that in the description below, and if you're ready we'll carry straight on. Looks like this. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. So you could bounce from side to side as many times as you like, and you could exit on either side. So in a standard man basket, you come around and you exit from the side you came in. Now in the bounce, it's quite often that you exit from the other side, and we're going to teach you that way because you know the other way already. So let's break it down. Goes back 1, coming in round the back all the way round, so standard man basket all the way up to count 3. From here it changes. We're going to keep both hands low. We reverse the direction of the lady. The guys head over to the left, and as the lady's coming forwards, the guys take a little step back with a twist to the left, so the ladies are still moving forwards, so we get some tension in the arm at the back, and we can then twist to the right to start the lady coming back, and the guys head over to the right. Now if you were going to keep bouncing, you would go back and then repeat until you're comfortable, and actually practicing a few of these until you're comfortable is a good idea. But we're now going to bring the lady back to the left hand side, and as she comes through we're going to release with the left hand, walk the lady out with the right, over the top, whirl it to prepare. So all we're doing is prepping a return spin, and catch. Okay, so let's do it from the other side and think numbers. We're going to go back 1, walking the lady behind the shoulder, 2, into the block, 3, changing direction, 4, into the block the other side, 5, changing direction, 6, walking into a turn, 7, preparation, 8, return 1, and back 2. So let's try that. Here we go. 5, 6, a man basket bounce. You go a back, walk, block, change, block, change, turn, prep, return spin, and catch. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. For everybody who likes the videos, thank you very much. Subscribing even more so, and if you are a subscriber, if you pop the notification bell on, you will get told every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end in the windows that come up in the last few seconds, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.